terminals on iMacs. It replaces the file system used, the visual representation of the file systems, and it goes down to text-based command interface where the user has lots of control. So if you click on the background, you'll see on the top left of your Mac that you have a Finder window, and you just go to File, New Finder window, and you quickly go on the left-hand side of the screen on the tree, go to Applications, and then Utilities, and then Terminal. Double click on Terminal. So here you have the terminal coming up. It starts you off in a directory. So we are in a directory on your system, and the way you find out about it is PWD for Path Working Directory, and it tells me I'm in users Cody. If I want to list this directory, everything I'm doing in this directory exists on my computer. So if I type in ls for list, we're going over some of the commands, I see I have certain main directory in my users Cody account. If I want to change to a directory, I go cd, change directory, and I type in DE for desktop. I can type the whole word desktop, or I can hit tab and then hit enter, and now it tells me where I am and my username. PWD, this is a prompt. So everything to the left of the $ is my prompt. It tells me a little bit of information, the name of the computer, the location of my folder, the user I'm in, and then I have this prompt that lets me do commands. Now I'm in a different directory. So if I type in ls again, I see different things. I'm in my desktop and I see everything here on the right on my desktop. If I want to make a new directory and make mkdir and say new, what happens is that, see, it automatically creates it for me. So it's very powerful. Be careful what you type because you don't want to remove everything in a certain folder. For example, remove space file name will remove a file. Remove rmdir for remove directory. New, okay, I'm going to tab out, which means I hit tab and it auto completes it for me. Will remove the newly created directory. So if you type too fast, you might accidentally remove something you don't want. If you hit enter, that directory is gone. Now, you can get information about these commands online. They're called Linux commands, Linux useful commands, or if you know the command name and want to determine some of the options, like you hit man for manual, ls, and then enter, and it gives you some options. So one of the options, -A, is to show you the hidden files that begin with a dot. Another one of the options, -S, is to sort by size. So Q quits it, or if you have a long list, you can hit spacebar and it goes down to the very end and it quits automatically. Oh, well, I guess you have to hit quit. So ls minus ls. So it gives a different format. The L is for long format, the S is for sorted by date, and there you are. If you want to change some of the preferences, like the background, you go to Terminal, Preferences. Now you can look like a real coder over here. You change your text to blue, one of the ones that I like, and then you can change your background to black. Ooh, there we are. Actually, let's a little bit more contrast. And there you are. You're a hacker now. Okay, everybody, this is it for now. I will talk to you another time. Thanks.